Hey guys, in today's video we're going to paint some cupboards, tear apart the rest of the bathroom, work on building a new kitchen, and we'll take it from there. We'll see how it goes. Catch you in a bit.
1970s shower bathroom tile, whatever you want to call it, is coming out. I'm actually kind of sad because I do like the pattern. I'm a big fan of the 70s. So I think I want to look at adding in some different things around the motorhome whenever we do it to resemble maybe the 70s. I don't know, maybe I could cut a piece of this and use it as some backsplash. Any ideas? Leave a comment in the section below. I would love to hear if you think I could reuse some of this somewhere else in the motorhome. Alright, that already looks 10 times better in my opinion. That's just the primer on there, but it's already brightening up in here. Check that out. And then, the bathroom. This is officially all ready.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit.
Well, click together. seamless. Very nice. And there's what we'll end up having as a final product. Look pretty good, I think. Quick to lay, nice and easy. For now, we'll stick it in the garage and until we're done painting, and then we'll get after it. Here's a rat's nest of the piping that we took out last episode. You can see why we replaced it all. We got hose to copper to hose clamps to you name it. There's even freaking, looks like engine hose on there, rubber. Not what you want to be drinking with.
Alright guys, so it's not much, but it does feel like we're making a little bit of progress. So we got all the primer on all the cupboards. We got our new cupboard piece going in. This is the old cupboard piece that we're going to use as a template. And eventually we'll clean up the stove. But we wanted to make sure this cupboard that we had lying around would fit. Which it does, with a few modifications to go around the wheel.
Try to give you hints in the heart
that's our focus for today.
Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie. I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
What do you think, guys?
Try to give you hints in the heart to see. Right on the
Hey guys, well, be sure to join us for episode 4 in the next coming weeks, and don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for following us along on our vintage RV makeover, and until next time, see you later.